Ghee rice, a simple and tasty dish, a beginner's recipe. Today we are going to make ghee rice, a simple but tasty dish, and also a beginner's dish. The ingredients are dry grapes or raisins, salt to taste, shallot, clove, mace, nutmeg, cinnamon, black pepper, cashew nut, cardamom. Heat the pan and pour in 50 grams of ghee. Put in the cashew and the dry grapes. Salt and fry. And take out onto the plate. Put in the black pepper, cloves, mace, cinnamon, and cardamom with the shallot. And salt in a low flame. Until the shallots are golden brown. Put in the soaked basmati rice. This rice has been soaked in water for 30 minutes and washed. Now sort the rice with the other ingredients. So 5 to 10 minutes. In 2 cups of rice, we'll pour in 4.5 cups of water. Mix. Now let it cook in high flame for 20 minutes. Put in salt to taste. Mix. The water which has to be poured in has to be warm. Now let it cook for 20 minutes in high flame. The ghee rice is ready and can now be taken off the flame. This is the final ghee rice. A very simple and tasty dish to make. And a dish which can be made by any beginner. If you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.